Welcome to this essential guide on bookkeeping basics. Every successful business owner needs to understand how to track their income and expenses effectively. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial management, mastering these fundamentals will give you control over your business finances and help you make smarter decisions. Bookkeeping is the systematic recording, organizing, and tracking of all financial transactions in your business. Think of it as maintaining a complete financial diary of everything that happens with your money. Every sale you make, every bill you pay, every expense you incur needs to be recorded accurately. This creates a clear picture of your business's financial health and ensures you always know where your money is coming from and where it's going. Good bookkeeping practices are crucial for three main reasons. First, it helps you know your true profitability at any moment, so you're never guessing whether you're actually making money. Second, accurate financial data allows you to make informed business decisions based on facts, not feelings. Third, maintaining organized records throughout the year means tax season becomes stress-free instead of a nightmare. Proper bookkeeping transforms financial management from overwhelming chaos into manageable clarity. All business transactions fall into two fundamental categories. Income represents money flowing into your business from customers, clients, or other revenue sources. Expenses represent money flowing out of your business to pay for goods, services, and operational costs. Understanding this simple distinction is the foundation of bookkeeping. Every transaction you record will be categorized as either money coming in or money going out, and the difference between these two determines your profit or loss. Business income comes in various forms. Product sales and service fees are the most common, where customers pay you directly for what you offer. Recurring subscriptions and memberships provide predictable monthly income from customers who pay regularly. Consulting revenue and project payments come from specialized work or one-time engagements. Regardless of the source, all income must be tracked with details including the date, amount, customer name, and what the payment was for. Business expenses typically fall into several major categories. Operational costs include rent, utilities, and office supplies that keep your business running day to day. Labor costs cover employee salaries and payments to independent contractors who help you deliver your products or services. Growth investments include marketing, advertising, and software tools that help you reach customers and operate efficiently. Every expense should be documented with a receipt, the date, amount, and business purpose for tax deduction purposes. Three practices are essential for effective bookkeeping. First, record every transaction immediately while details are fresh in your mind, never letting receipts pile up for weeks. Second, keep all receipts and invoices organized either physically in folders or digitally using scanning apps or cloud storage. Third, reconcile your accounts monthly by comparing your bookkeeping records against your bank statements to catch any errors or missing transactions. Consistency in these habits prevents small mistakes from becoming big problems. The most important lesson to remember is that consistent bookkeeping transforms financial chaos into clarity and confidence. When you maintain accurate records regularly, you gain complete visibility into your business finances. You'll know exactly how much money you have, where it came from, and where it went. This knowledge empowers you to plan for growth, prepare for taxes, and make strategic decisions with confidence. Start building your bookkeeping habit today, and your future self will thank you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.